In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google reviews to a Wix website using Elfsight. To get started, head over to the Elfsight Google Reviews widget page and sign in to your account. If you don't already have one, you can create a free account first. Once you are inside, search for the Google Reviews widget and choose a template that best matches the style of your website. For example, you might prefer a carousel if you want something more interactive, a grid for a clean visual layout, or a list if you want a simpler, more straightforward presentation. After selecting your template, the next step is to connect your business listing. You can do this by entering your business name and address, or by pasting the Google Maps link for your listing. This allows Elfsight to pull in the reviews connected to your business profile. Make sure you select the correct listing, so the right reviews appear on your site. Once the connection is set up, you can customize the widget in the editor. This is where you can make the reviews section feel like a natural part of your website, rather than something pasted in from somewhere else. You can adjust the layout, filter out specific ratings if needed, change colors, and fine-tune the overall appearance so it matches your branding and the design of your Wix site. When you are happy with how everything looks, click Publish, or select the option to add it to your website for free. Elfsight will then generate a unique embed code for your widget. Copy the HTML code provided, because this is what you will place into your Wix website. Now log into your Wix dashboard and open your site in the Wix editor. Go to the specific page and section where you want the Google reviews to appear. On the left sidebar, click the plus icon to open Add Elements. Scroll down until you find Embed Code, then choose Embed HTML. A pop-up box will appear. Click Enter Code. Paste in the Elfsight embed code you copied earlier, and then click Update. The widget should now appear inside your editor. From here, resize and stretch the HTML box so the reviews display comfortably and don't look cramped. This part is important because the size of the embed area can affect how polished the final result looks. Before making it live, switch to preview mode and check that everything displays properly. If needed, make small adjustments to spacing or size. Once everything looks right, click Publish to send the changes live on your Wix website. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.